Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energy, guys, for your career situation and your love energy. So these are for your daily energy, Pisces. For your career situation and love energy, we'll be picking cards from another deck, one card each. This is for your career situation and this is for your relationship, and one card from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So this is the card, guys. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Pisces. So for your daily reading, first it's Nine of Wands, Eight of Cups and Eight of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation today, Pisces, your focus is on something else, guys, not on your work, not on your relationship. If it is something to do with your work or relationship, you are focusing on something. Maybe you are focusing on some spiritual unfoldment, some kind of knowledge you are seeking today in your life, some awareness or some knowledge, or you may be moving to a new path of belief, changing your old ways of thinking. That is what I see with this card here, guys. And you are making tremendous efforts today. It may be something in your career situation or personal life, guys. Lots of efforts, and you know what you need to do to reach your goal or reach success, and you have that skill and capability, and you are very attentive even to the minutest detail. So you see things through and you do it with perfection, and you are very practical, guys. That is what I see with this card, Pisces. So in your situation today, you are making great efforts, and you are doing it correctly to see things manifest in a particular way. And you know what is your inner strength, what is your strength, what is your weakness, and you are always ready, attentive, paying attention to each and every minute detail, and you know how to do things in a correct way. So it may be something in your relating to your career or personal life, and you are taking extra precautions also, guys, today. So you are very attentive and you're taking precautions. It may be something to do with your personal life. Maybe you may feel that this person, you may have certain doubts on them, and you may feel that they are going to leave you anytime. That may be the reason for this attention on them always. So let us see what are these cards, guys, for your career and relationship. First, for your career situation, Eight of Water. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are seeing new ways to reach your goals, and you may find that certain things that you have, certain choices that you have made, actually you would have felt that that will reach, that will take you forward towards success, but that may not be true. So you are changing the way you deal with your situation, taking time, and you are re-examining your choices and your path. So what you need to do, and in your heart of hearts you know what you have to do, and you are relating the truth that you have in your heart, in your work. So what you truly feel is right, and that is what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. So you are giving up that fear and shame, maybe because of some failures or because of uncertainty that you see in your future, and you are working truthfully, guys. That is what I see with this card. Pisces, let us see what is the card for your relationship. Patience. So with this card, it may be something you may feel about this person, or what that person may feel about you. So this card calls for patience, guys, just for you to wait. So this card calls for patience in everything, maybe patience in seeing how this relationship is slowly unfolding. So we should not rush things up. Even if we have that urge to take this relationship forward towards marriage or commitment, we should not rush things up. So this card calls for patience and do things in moderation, guys. So that is the reading with these cards. So what is your oracle's guidance, guys? TikTok. This card just means divine timing. So divine timing is working in our life, Pisces. So whatever is supposed to come at that correct time will reach us. So we have to have that trust and faith in our circumstance, in our situation, and in our own self. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.